Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by verifying what blurry means for you right now. First, remove contacts or glasses and rest your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes while sitting upright. This clears transient dryness. Next, look at a distant object and then a near one to compare both eyes. Once done, adjust ambient lighting and move your screen to about 20 to 28 inches. Make sure you're not squinting. These steps narrow down whether this is dry eye, screen strain, or something needing further care. Now you'll apply focused fixes that address the common causes of blur. If eyes feel dry, use preservative-free artificial tears once or twice and blink fully. This restores the tear film. Meanwhile, practice the 20-20-20 rule to relieve accommodative strain and reposition screens to reduce glare. Check recent new medications or allergy flares and drink water. Dehydration and blood sugar swings can blur vision. If you notice sudden changes, pain, or flashes, stop and seek immediate medical attention rather than continuing self-care. Finish by deciding whether to escalate and how to prepare for a clinician visit. If blur lasts more than 1 to 2 days, progressively worsens, or is accompanied by pain, flashes, or vision loss, contact an eye care professional immediately. When you call or go in, bring recent medication lists, symptom timing, and any photos showing changes. A key troubleshooting tip: sudden pain or sudden loss of vision is an emergency. Seek urgent care. Persistent dry, fluctuating blur often responds to tear support and lens evaluation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.